I don't bring una update from Bishop Blessing Samuel. Yes, how many of una remember when Apostle Princess come out tell us say he get 20 million for 20 women wey go come outside come testify say Bishop Samuel rape them. My people, I tell una say make una no just judge, make we wait until we hear both sides. Right now Bishop Samuel don come outside no come talk about the allegation wey they put against am. And as una no know, okay, maybe some of una know, some of una no know. Me na my first time wey I dey hear am. These people been date. They were dating, wey they say now this man introduce am. In fact, now this man make Princess know Jesus, whereas they can't be friends, relationship go enter, but they say the relationship no work. I don't know whether now wetin they pain the woman, but I beg, I bring the man come on side. Make una listen to wetin God stop by himself. Because join me, make we watch the video.
Hello, my name is Bishop Blessing Samuel, and I'm here to address the allegation made by one evangelist, Princess Belenzi. Now, everything she said in that video is a complete lie and is coming from a place of a scorned and bitter woman. I am not nobody and I cannot. I met Belenzi some time ago. I brought her to Christ. I raised her up in church. I converted her and ordained her as an evangelist. We became friends and eventually went into a relationship that didn't work out. I did the best I can to make it work, but it didn't work. She walked away from the relationship. She left. I never broke her heart. I never left her. As a matter of fact, I fell sick at the time and I was at the point of death. And this lady walked up to me and said that God have revealed to her a new man, a new husband, that she wants to go ahead with one of our instrumentalists. And I left her alone for good. And when she saw that I didn't die, I don't know what came over her. And ever since then, she has turned to a sworn enemy. For the past 2 years, she has been on my case every day. She talks about me. She speaks ill of me. She posts my picture. As a matter of fact, she said God told her that her assignment now is to destroy me. That God told her assignment is to bring me down.
So you see me and Bishop Blessing think, this is, you guys gotta make peace. You guys are disgracing the body of Christ. Shut up. I have an assignment to bring him down, and I have to do it well. And you have to support me to get it done well.
They were dating. Hey. I didn't know all this why. You don't understand, because person be tell me, but I say, no, how these two go just they now as I hear my people, I am convinced. Fear women. Fear my gender. And they tell on a serious stuff, fear women. Just imagine. After this woman come out, assuming people no even talk up, or this man no come now, we no go no say these two been the totori themselves. Una date. After una date. No, una hear that from the man mouth himself. Now the woman even walk out of the relationship. Till today, I don't know what it cause her. Make una dey careful who una they allow inside una life. So people they just enter your life to destroy. By the time they finish, they get wetin they want there now, so they go just destroy and come out. Dey very careful, especially when it comes to all these intimate things. Tomorrow now we go hear another one, because now she don't try with this one, work. She go look for another thing now where she go bring this man down for. Just imagine. People wey Satan they send now, they plenty. Agent of darkness, they plenty. God send you, make you give women a 1 million so that they go come testify, say this man raped them. God send you to bring this man down. It be like say I go soon come on my hand for this whole pastor and church wahala what they do, because I don't tire. I just don't tire. But now the thing where they doubt now be say, una sure say this relationship end. You get why they ask, una sure say this relationship end. Because women, see, I be woman, so I know us. It get how things go. Maybe the woman never, you don't understand, maybe she still wants him, and maybe as the man no gree go back, now she dey find ways and means to just, you understand, I know us. My fellow women, una feel relate. That's if una go dey sincere with una self. real agent of darkness. Your assignment now na to bring people down. My advice to this man, Mr. Bishop, if you know what is good for you, just gently carry this matter go court. As simple as that, because this, see, for defamation of personality, carry this matter go court, because as I dey see this matter, this woman never even finish with you, my brother. So if only you go take my advice, so enter court. Or I don't know, maybe you go police station, all the lawyers in the house, make una start dey talk, how una dey do am, so that they go give the woman wetin they call that thing, restraining order, abi wetin. Now una know all the languages wey una dey use for all those things, and na wetin me I just dey think, so that this nonsense go stop. Because if not, the one wey una go hear next, and for all of una wey una don run, because I tell una the last time, I know person wey even put am for im DP. All of una wey don run, hey, he raped me, he's a rapist, he's be forming allegation. All of una, make una wait. Una time go soon catch. So person no do anything to una, and I don't go. I beg, I not to say he be perfect man, no. I not to say, you understand, no get me wrong, but I beg, me from day one, I just know say this woman dey lie. From day one, see, no, I don't even need here say they date. I don't even need here say they been there inside one thing. I don't care. My own be safe from day one. As I hear this woman matter, I say this woman they lie. God cannot send you. You know it's 1 million each. She just use that money, drag people so that they go come. That is if truly the money even exists. Because the way I cannot talk anything I want to talk. I beg you, in fact, my people are tired. Make all of them just get out. Yes, make all of them just get out, because as soon as they see me like this, are they seriously on Buhari matter? I am seriously on our president matter. I never get time to face any other thing. It's very important. This country needs help. Any other thing we wanna get to bring, I beg, make una. I wait to be that thing. Where did they talk? They say in the Bible, cast your burdens unto the Lord. Oh yeah, this una wahala, make una carry on. Make una only God fit over me. I no get stand for that one. I dey seriously on Nigeria matter. My people waiting una think. For una way, believe with me, say the woman been the life from the one. Ngwanu, na concrete evidence be this. The man himself don't come outside come talk. So anything where you guys talk, I beg, make una start the drop up for that comment section. And yes, una go soon get new person on this platform, and right from this Friday, una go know the person. So I beg, make I no waste una strength and una brain to think again. Una go see the person live on Friday. Yes, help me share this video. Make everybody know what thing they happen right now and the outcome of this matter. And don't forget to click on that bell so that you don't go miss anything we are getting here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.